In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Cursor, download, install, and use AI coding tools. First, download and install Cursor. Head to the official Cursor website, choose the version for your operating system, and run the installer. When you launch it, you'll notice that it looks and feels like Visual Studio Code. That's because Cursor is a fork of VS Code, so the interface, themes, and basic editor behavior should feel instantly familiar. Next, open a project. You can select an existing folder or create a brand new one. Giving Cursor a real code base provides context, which helps the AI understand your patterns, file structure, and the technologies you're using. If you don't have a project handy, even a small sample folder with a couple of files is enough to start exploring. Now, try AI-powered tab completion. Start typing code, for example, begin with function calculate, and continue writing as you normally would. Cursor will suggest completions in line. When you see a suggestion you like, press tab to accept it. If the suggestion isn't quite right, keep typing to guide it or ignore it and write your own code. Over time, the AI adapts to your style and becomes more helpful for repetitive or boilerplate patterns. For inline edits, select the code you want to change, then press Command or Control plus K. In the prompt that appears, clearly describe what you want, like make this calculate Fibonacci. Cursor will rewrite the selected code to match your request. If you're specific about inputs, outputs, and constraints, you'll get more accurate results. Review the changes, and if they're close, but not perfect, run another inline edit with a sharper prompt to refine it. Finally, open the chat with Command or Control plus I. This brings up a panel where you can ask questions about your code base, such as explain this API call, or request help, like add tests for this function. The chat understands your open project, so include file names, function names, or short snippets to give it the best possible context. You can use it to clarify unfamiliar libraries, sketch out test cases, or outline a refactor before you implement it. That's the core workflow. Install Cursor, open a project to provide context, lean on tab completion for quick suggestions, use inline edits to transform selected code, and rely on chat for explanations and higher-level assistance. Practice these tools on a small feature or a utility function, and you'll quickly see how they speed up everyday coding while keeping you in control of the final result.